Hey guys, welcome back to Vedic Math Vantage. Over the past few videos, we learned how to do squares and square roots using the Vedic math techniques. Now, we'll be going over how to do cubes. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how to do cubes for two-digit number with a far simpler technique. Okay, let's get started. So for this technique, you'll have to memorize all the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, and 10 cube is of course 1000. So let me just give you a second there. Read it out and you have to memorize all of these numbers, okay? Because this is very important for this technique. So let's get started. Say we have a number like 23, which we need to cube. The regular technique is to just multiply the number 3 times. Let me show you a technique that's faster, to say the least. So first you start by cubing 2. So the cube of 2 is 8. Now we divide this by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then we multiply it by 3. 4 into 3 is 12. So that becomes the next number. Again, repeat the same process. Divided by 2. So we have 6. 6 into 3. That's 18. And lastly, just do it one last time. 18 by 2, 9. 9 into 3, 27. You can observe that it starts with the cube of 2, ends with the cube of 3, which are the two numbers we have here. Next, what you have to do, you have to double the two numbers in between only. So only these two numbers, you double it. Okay? And then we go ahead to get the final result. Each spot can have only one digit. So we just take one digit from each and take the rest as carry. In this case, 7 would come from 27 and 2 goes up here as carry. Now 18 plus 2 plus 36. That would be 56. We have 6 over here. 5 goes as carry. Again, same thing. 12 plus 24 plus 5. 36 plus 5 is 41. So 1 goes here. 4 as carry. And lastly, 8 plus 4 is 12. And voila, we have our final answer, 12167. Very simple technique, don't you think? Let's try this one more time. Say we have a number 71 cubed. 7 cubed, 343. 7 divided by 7 into 1. So 49. 49 divided by 7 is 7. And finally just 1. Double the numbers in between. And now we finally add it up in the fashion that I showed you. 1 comes down directly. 7 plus 4 is 21. So 1 and 2 comes here as a carry. Now we have 98 plus 49. plus 2. So by adding to make it a whole, we get 100 plus 49, 149, so 9 and 14 goes up. Okay? And finally, 343 plus 14 gives 357. And we have our final answer, 357911, which is the cube of 71. That's all. This is a very simple technique, and you can employ it pretty easily whenever you're doing any cubes for two-digit number. Keep in mind this is only for two-digit numbers. So next video, I'll be teaching how we can find cube roots for perfect cubes that are 6 digits or less. Until then, have a great time.